Hi guys, welcome to another vlog.
You're in a top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man they tell the chef hurry.
Today is Sunday. Oh, another time. It's now 9 minutes after the hour of 2, and we are heading to Gordonz River. Yeah, so that is what's going on right now. If you see us at this angle, is because the glare, we can't put the tripod at the front there because the glare is affecting it. So that we are doing. So this is the angle that you guys will be at for a little while. You can say hello, you know, Kim. You're better. So you're looking like it. So I'll just wash my hair. So I'm not going to go in the seaside of the over there. I'm just going to go and climb the falls or whatever. Because it's not having a saw water catch me here right now. Because just watch it too. This was not planned. See, me a little like all out trips them these days not planned. So yeah, the days are lovely day, as in outside just bright and pretty. See here. It's a lovely Sunday afternoon. So yeah, travel with us as we go.
I buy pudding.
Yeah. Excuse me?
I buy pudding today.
Freddy Pudding Man? Kim, really?
Yeah.
What change your mind?
Just want to buy pudding today.
Kim never want to buy pudding from the Pudding Man. Gosh, we are talking. No, we Pudding Man. Which part? We're not. Kim never want to buy pudding from the Pudding Man. I talk about, oh, him no want to buy no pudding from no man down.
Yes, I don't tell you why I don't want to buy no pudding from the Pudding Man people. Me I eat too much things. Me I eat so much things already from people who me not even know. Me I drink Pepsi, sodas. Me I eat biscuit, parrot biscuit, butter kids and all them things there.
Yeah, but you know
I don't know who make them.
But you know the man who gonna eat pudding.
No, I don't know him.
Of course,
I know him.
you gonna see him.
But I don't know him, and that I think I don't know him from nowhere.
Alright then.
That's why I don't eat.
So why you did have a problem?
No. Me I buy him because I just want to buy for you.
No, but you just I did not ask
but
you
still
for
pudding.
pudding.
I buy for you, see me.
Why me say the difficulty in this life?
You also ask me. You also ask me.
Boy.
See me right there, say, find a nice place and park and come back. Can you also ask me for pudding rock bubbles? I know, so just be honest.
Kim?
I already know why I put when you come back to buy me.
Idiot! You don't realize when the... Anyways, I have a red red.
So people,
you never want to buy pudding from the Pudding Man. All of a sudden you want to buy pudding from the Pudding Man. I don't understand. That boy you feel if you put my neck back.
you want to put this one by pudding to the so you can't get it. Come in and go eat it.
No, why you suggest pudding for me? We never asked for no pudding, you know. I did not ask for pudding. So what? So they have renovated. Come here. Wow, was it 3 years ago? And they renovated the place. So put over and okay.
No food over here?
Babus, you really want to go in? Don't drive a food, but for tourists. Sorry.
So I'm not a tourist.
Oh.
So a Jamaican price. A Jamaican price.
Let's see, if you have money,
a Jamaican price.
No, have a problem. Until I have money, we go and buy food.
Okay, I'll go buy food and come back.
Yeah, Bubbles, we have to buy food. Tell him, man. Go on up to him. Tell him, man. So we just We're not going in.
I can't go in. I'm not tourist no one. See there? At what time on the lock? What time now? 5:30. Come here and go buy some food and come back. What time? I can too late.
2:43.
Them have expensive food. I'm a Jamaican and you a white man. A Jamaican, I come from where? Honda.
Fit.
Honda. Honda Fit. Kemar. Kemar Rakija. Respect, yeah? Alright, brother.
You too, thanks. Wind in my hair. So we are walking there. We're walking towards. We need to have proper shoes. We need to have proper shoes.
They still sharp?
Shoes. Some of them sharp, some of them slippery, some of them aren't.
Why people can't get judged? You know, so when you unrule anything,
Wait, anything? What?
you know, so me, I don't know.
What? Hold on.
At first time I come?
Come on now.
Go go, double. First time.
Oh, yeah, plate, alright. If I have plate, I eat that, man. So, yo. John, say my four.
Where na sila? Relax. Wait, wala. Asa matutungan? So we're going to get our tickets to go in the line. Kind of look long still. I can't see. So let's see if we get some tickets and then we get back to nothing. Kem. Ah. Oh my god.
What's up, guys? So, I go up on the falls right now. Sliding at this. So, camera and waterproof. So, anything happen, remember, camera and waterproof. Camera and waterproof. So, let's go to the camera. It's not a waterproof camera, I'm going to see what can happen. Alright, watch that, everybody.
I don't have camera really.
Yo! That's what I'm talking about! That's it, man!
You got to catch it?
Yo! That's what I'm talking about! See what catch you there? I'm gonna lick a spirit for the glass, but that's it. You wanna go try it? Started. So, Rakisha's gonna try the sliding thing. Are you sure you can manage it?
Of course, it's just a slide.
Alright, so go ahead, let me see what you have. Go on. So, let's escort her to the step, people. Ensure say she alright. Cause this is gonna be so much fun. So, she'll go up the step. Alright, so she gone. here we go again. So this is my first time doing anything, you know.
Over here.
Yes. So me
The
don't know.
slide is so much fun.
Yeah. Me don't know why I feel like I climb the fall, so me I go definitely experience it today. Me have my slippers them, which me love. Me not take them off. Them
They're safe enough.
them I rubber them, so them not gonna skid. Right? And me have my camera. Me have my camera. Me I take a chance here again. So anytime you see the camera go out, the water going in and it's done. And anytime the phone go out, the water going out and it's done same way. But we are gonna take a chance.
Ensure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.
Yes. So we'll go.
Anyway, so.
Alright, so Rakisha leader. As I said, me never my first time over here, so I don't know.
I remember. Because it changed up so much.
So, we are going.
Locker rental, like somebody can't. One of can't send it.
But we think them?
Like,
Well, as I say, me a chance. 100% chance.
hear that? This so.
So up now. So guys, look at it. We are at the end, and my phone has
Camera is about to die.
yeah, camera is about to die. So watch that guy. He climbed the fall 100 times, so he know exactly. So, Rakisha, how was the experience?
Awesome, as usual. How
So-
was it for you? How was the experience?
Remember, sorry, Rakisha came before me. Unfortunately, this shall be tour first time. But you don't know, Rakisha have experience. This is my first time. I love it! I love it! Bad banding. Love it! So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Then we'll go back out of the slide. Really love one next shot of the slide.
more.
They're rock together.
So we're going to enjoy the rest of the time and then
And then we clock out. We're going to eat.
Yeah.
We're not going to eat. We're going to eat. So, yeah.
Probably continue with vlog in our next vlog. You understand?
So,
Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next vlog.
I'm out!
Lady Standout representing for Rocky Martin's Records.